Today we are going to study Standard 10 Science First, Chapter number 2, Periodic Classification of Elements. You know that in the initial classification, elements were classified into the groups of metals and non-metals. Later on, another class of elements called metalloids was noticed. Today, 118 elements are known to the scientific world. As the knowledge about elements and their properties went on increasing, different scientists started trying out different methods of classification. A German scientist, Dobereiner, suggested that properties of elements are related to their atomic masses. He made groups of 3 elements, each having similar chemical properties, and called them triads. For example, atomic mass of lithium is 7, for potassium it is 39, the mean of these atomic masses is 23, and which is approximately equal to the middle element, that is sodium. So, Dobereiner's triads law. Dobereiner stated in his law of triads that the arithmetic mean of the atomic masses of the first and third element in a triad would be approximately equal to the atomic mass of the second element in that triad. Next, Newland's law of octaves. The English scientist John Newland found that when the elements arranged in an increasing order of their atomic masses, every 8 element had properties similar to those of the first. For example, sodium is the 8th element from lithium and both have similar properties. But many limitations were found in Newland's octaves. This law was found to be applicable only up to calcium. He placed 2 elements each in some boxes, that is cobalt and nickel. Also, Newland's octaves did not have provision to accommodate the newly discovered elements. Newland's law of octaves. The law of octaves states that every 8 element has similar properties when the elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic masses. Mendeleev's periodic table. The Russian scientist Mendeleev developed the periodic table, which is the most important step in the classification of elements. He arranged 63 elements known at that time in an increasing order of their atomic masses. Mendeleev found that the elements with similar physical and chemical properties repeat after a definite interval. On the basis of this finding, he stated the periodic law. Mendeleev's periodic law. Properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic masses. Properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic masses. So, here are the features of Mendeleev's periodic table. There are horizontal rows in the periodic table. They are called periods. In a given period, there is a regular gradation in the properties of element from left to right. There are 8 vertical columns in the periodic table. They are called as groups. They are numbered from 1 to 8. Merits of Mendeleev's periodic table. Elements were classified on their fundamental basis of their atomic masses and properties. For example, the previously determined atomic mass of beryllium, that is 14.09, was changed to the correct value 9.4, and beryllium was placed before boron. Spaces were left vacant for the elements that were to be discovered in future. 3 of unknown elements were given the names Eka boron, Eka aluminium, and Eka silicon, and their atomic masses were indicated as 44, 68, and 72 respectively. Later on, these elements were discovered and named as scandium, gallium, and germanium respectively. It could predict the properties of elements which help in the discovery of new elements. The inert gas elements discovered later could be placed in a separate group without disturbing the existing order of elements. Demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table. Hydrogen resembles both alkali as well as halogens. Therefore, no fixed position could be given to hydrogen in the periodic table. Isotopes of same elements have different atomic masses. Therefore, each of them should be given a different position. At certain places, element of higher atomic mass has been placed before an element having lower atomic mass. For example, cobalt, that is 58.93, is placed before nickel, that is 58.71, and this was the demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table. Some elements placed in same group had different properties. Example, manganese is placed with halogens which totally differs in their properties.